this condition. The condition mean the problem means you have to only check the options. Okay, so largest natural number is required. So try the largest natural number from these options. 96. Okay, so what, the by which the product of three consecutive even natural numbers is always divisible. Actually the problem should be like this: the largest natural number divisible by the product of three consecutive even natural numbers is always, means this number is divisible by product. So then the option is means largest from the options we have to find. Try the largest number, that is 96. So 96 we have to check whether it is divisible by product of three consecutive even natural numbers. So what can be the options? Let's try three even natural numbers. Let's try the simpler numbers. 2 into 4 into 6, right? Even natural numbers, consecutive, right? So that is 48. 96 is divisible by 48. Yes, it is. So answer is 2. So that's why 96 is the correct option. Now you will say 48 is also divisible, because 48 upon 48 will be 1. But what we want largest natural number. That's why 96 is the option. Okay. Next is, given that the number 148101A 095 is divisible by 11, where a is a single digit number, then what are the possible values of a? Now these are the options given. 4179 means what? This number is divisible by 11. Now one thing it must click you is, divisible by 11 means that test of 11. Sum of odd minus sum of even should be 0, or 11 multiple of 11, something like that. Either 0 or multiple of 11, anything will do. So let's. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.